How to fix screen flicking issue on Poco M8. Let's start the video first of all. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device and restart device. After restart device, you will see your problem is solved. If it not solved, so go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on display and brightness and decrease brightness. After decrease brightness, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. If it not solved, click on settings app and click on more connectivity options. After click on more connectivity options, scroll down and click on reset settings. Enter your pin, click on done and click on OK. After click on OK, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen and you will check your problem is solved. If it's still not solved, so refresh phone and click on settings app. Scroll down and click on additional settings. Scroll down and click on developer option. After click on developer option, scroll down and search media setting from here and click on media DRM setting. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update your software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix screen flicking issue on Poco M8. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.